I am Charlsie and welcome back to my kitchen. And today I want to teach you how to make an herb roasted chicken. It is one of the most economical things that you can bake, and in fact my local grocery store, Rouse's, had chicken for 99 cents a pound, the whole chicken. So, and they run those specials every so often at different grocery stores, and so I like to pick up one or two. This is a 5-pounder. You can see right here. And the first thing we're going to do is prepare it for the oven. I've already got my oven preheating to 350, and it will need to bake for an hour. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with the chicken. I have rinsed it off and patted it dry with paper towels, and it's ready to go. You may want to glove up for this part, but you don't have to. So I've got half a stick of soft butter, and I'm actually going to just massage that all over this chicken. So I'm just going to kind of press it in and go. I just want to coat the chicken with this good butter fat. And it's kind of messy, but it's okay. This is a beautiful chicken. And if you didn't want to use butter, which I don't know why not, because butter makes everything taste better. And it's the healthiest fat, one of them, that you can eat. You could use something like avocado oil. You just want to make sure that there's enough butter in there. And if you wanted to melt it, you could, but it's not really necessary because it's going to all melt anyway in the oven. All right, so let me wipe off my hands. They're a mess. And then we're going to make the seasoning. It's actually like a little broth that we're going to put together. I am going to sprinkle this chicken with some Redmond salt, and I'm going to set it aside. Now, simple seasoning herbal broth that we're going to put together. So I've got half a cup of broth. I'm going to add some fresh herbs. So I have a healthy tablespoon of fresh rosemary that we'll put down in there. I've also got some fresh thyme. So this is going to make your whole house smell so delicious. I've got some garlic. And this recipe is keto friendly and carnivore friendly if you can handle seasonings. Onion, and that is about a half of a large onion. I've got some garlic powder. I'm going to do a sprinkle or two, so half a teaspoon, because you've already got fresh garlic in there. Also a little celery salt to balance out the flavor. Again, 1/4 or a half a teaspoon. Couple of cracks of pepper. And a little bit of lemon juice. Maybe a teaspoon. and some salt. Remember, if you're using Redmond's, it's pretty strong, so don't overdo it. You could always add salt after the fact. Okay, so it's as simple as this. We are going to just pour this broth over the chicken. Just like so. Let me get all that out of there. Okay. And I'm going to place this in the oven for 1 hour at 350. You can let it brown up and then cover it with foil if you want, and it'll be a little bit more juicy. And you can also, if you like the breast to be more juicy, flip this. So I'll probably do that 20 minutes in or so, but I like the top to get brown. So that's it. I will show you what it looks like in an hour. So here it is, this beautiful herb roasted chicken. And I will tell you that it took longer than an hour. I ended up leaving it in for about an hour and 45 minutes, but it is close to 6 pounds. If you don't have one, it's always good to check the temp. Remember, with poultry, it needs to be at least 165. So I'm checking, and it is beautiful. I did flip it once during the cooking process, and it just smells delicious and looks great. I can cut into it if you want to see what everything looks like. It's very, very tender, very juicy. I don't know about you, if you have dogs, but this little Shih Tzu, he has been so talkative the last month. We don't know why. So there you go. It's a beautiful piece of the breast, perfectly cooked, tender, and juicy. So I hope you like this kind of recipe. If you look on my channel, I have all sorts of playlists, including, I used to be a cookie monster, I'm going to tell you. Definitely a sugar addict. And in 2025, I have embraced the carnivore lifestyle. So I'm going to offer every week some sort of really tasty meat, poultry, pork, seafood type of recipe for you, because I do love to cook. And just because I'm not doing all that baking, although I will bake cookies for friends and for my husband, but I just don't need it anymore. So I'm going to offer these things. So subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up for this recipe, and try it and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching.